What's up guys, so today I have a very special prank. As I was skating with my friend and he gave me an idea, telling me to put lights under the skateboard, and I thought that a very nice idea. So that is what we're gonna do today, so let's go. First of all, take your skateboard. So now take a piece of sandpaper and sand it. Now clean your surface. Oh yeah. Those are my delicious spray paint. So now let's go outside. Oh yeah, the best part, spray painting. The delicious spray paint is dry, so now let's make some lines. So now those lines, turn it into black lines.
Hey, walking dripped out, you see the details. I got water on me dripping like a seashell. I gave her love, she wanted love, I told her oh well. When I was broke, I busted traps right off my next tail. What you gon' do when you make it? A lot of people change when it comes to being famous. 50,000 cash in my pockets when I lane switch. I'm a rich nigga, I won't fuck her if she basic. She a rich bitch, cut a nigga off for faking. Nightmare on them shit, I confetti like I'm Jason. Hardly ever sleep, I told the doctor I'm dream chasing. I gave her the addy, she popped up and we got faded. 10 minutes later, she was naked, ass shaking.
So connect those batteries in series.
If I got a problem, then my brother get the spraying. Don't care what he say, we gon' catch him where he laying. And I'ma boss up on any occasion. Young nigga popping tags, young nigga got a bag and he got his own swag, let's go. Young nigga stay.
Oh yeah, look at those lies.
Now shows you know I'ma die for the gang, spend like 80 on my chain, try to snatch it, take your brain big.
So now put all the parts back and we are ready to go. But before enjoying the reveal, I just wanna thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. Thank you for the support, love you all. See you in the next time. Bye.
Yeah. Yeah. What?
Oh fuck.
Yeah.